So welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the props modeling over here, or you can say the game assets over here. So few assets are left which will be covering it up. So let's take a box over here. I'll slightly just increase its size over here. So convert to editable poly. Let's go into the modeling. Let's take a swift loop, select this, slightly I can just push it up, select this edge, and let's give a bit of chamfer to it, a bit over here. So I'll again use a swift loop over here and select this, and I'll use one more swift loop. I'll resize it, drag it over here. So let's select this edges. Let's give two connects over here. So I can just select this and this, and if you want you can easily bridge it, but we will not bridge it. What we will do is I will extrude this up slightly, and let's click OK. If you want I can slightly rotate it, and again I will extrude it, again drag it over here, rotate it, again extrude it, in this way, and delete this and this, select this border and this border, and let's bridge this. So I can easily just bridge this area as required. Now again I'll go over here and I will activate this auto grid over here, and I'll go into this, convert to editable poly. Let's select this edge, let's ring it, control and click on the polygons, extrude by local normal, and click OK. That can be done in this way. Now select this, now shuffle it over here. I can slightly resize it, let's take a box, push this up, convert to poly, select this polygons, and let's give a bit of inset, and let's extrude it a bit inside, so select this edges and let's give connect over here. So I can start adding connect over here. I can just scale it, from the top and shuffle it up, select this edge, select this, scale it from the top, again select this, scale it from the top, so once it is done, let's select this polygons, let's start bridging this. I can easily bridge this, and let's bridge it. Right click and isolate this, and I can slightly shuffle this over here. Now how we can create this? So very first of all, let's take a box and before that let's add some loops over here in this way. Now convert to poly. So if you want, you can make it separate as well, that's totally okay. So I can just select this. If you need it, you can slightly inset it and extrude this up if needed, but we cannot delete this part, so that's the reason I might not go with this shape. So if you see this can be made separately as well. So there are multiple ways. So first I'll just take a box over here and you can go into this, convert to poly, and let's put some swift loops over here. Let's put some swift loops like this, and let's duplicate it. And let's attach it, all of this, select this and this, bridge it. So let's just bridge all these elements. You can resize it later on as well. So first I'll keep on bridging this. So just select this, all polygons, and bridge it first. So once it is done, I can go into this and this, and I can just slightly push it very up. That's your shape is created, and if you want to make it more hollow, that can also be done. So let's select this and this, let's bridge this, select this and this, bridge it. So we can bridge this and this. sand isolated. So now we can just duplicate this. So you can make multiple copies of it. Now rotate it. And duplicate it. Slightly. Okay. So these are the wheels actually. We have done a small mistake over here. So I can put one loop here. I can put one loop here. Just make it straight over here, and let's add one loop here, one here, one here, one here. So select this polygons and this polygon, bridge it and bridge this. So select the cylinder, and now we can just duplicate it over here as required. So I'll just end isolate it, and you can just save the file once over here. So convert to poly, select the vertices, push it behind, take a box, so we can just go into this. So I can first of all convert to poly, select all the polygons, and let's give inset by polygon and extrude it inside. Click OK. So now let's select this and let's give the multiple cuts over here. So this we can follow it for all, and slightly extrude it a bit out. So this can be done with this as well. Extrude it up and click OK. So similarly, we don't have a reference, but it's going to go in the same way over here. So how much is visible we have created. So I'll just go into this. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So as you can see, we have created this game assets over here. which can be used. I can just resize it. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. So I'll just resize it. So thanks for watching this tutorial.